Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto G72 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone if you have the screen lock protection enabled on it. First we need to turn off the phone, and to turn it off simply press the power button to wake up the screen and then press and hold the button until the menu appears on the screen. And once the menu appears, tap on the power off option to turn off the phone. After the phone turns off, you will need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. So press and hold them and keep holding them until the menu appears on the screen. Once you see the menu on the screen, you can release both buttons, and that's how the bootloader menu or fast boot menu looks like. Now you can use the volume up or volume down buttons to scroll through the menu. Find the option called recovery mode, and once you select it, press the power button to confirm. Once you see the no comment on the screen, you will need to press and hold the power button, and while holding the power button, you will need to press the volume up button. So press and hold the power button, keep holding it, and while holding the power button, press volume up to continue. And this should bring you to the recovery menu. Now we can scroll through the menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons and confirm the selections by pressing the power button. So let's scroll down through the menu, select the option called wipe data / factory reset, and then press the power button to confirm. Here select the factory data reset option and then press the power button to confirm. Wait until the wiping process is complete, and once it is, make sure that the reboot system now option is selected and then press the power button to continue basically. And once you see the welcome screen on the phone, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.